What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are ceramic coating the Mach1 Mustang. It's been 2 days since we actually ceramic coated it because I wanted it to sit and settle while I wrap up this video. We're washing cars today, getting ready for an event. So I'm gonna go inside and tell you guys how to do it. All right, so we're not gonna waste any time and just jump right on into this video. So if you have watched any of my previous videos on the cars, then you know that all of our cars are ceramic coated. Since the Mach was in an accident and got new body pieces put on, we are re-ceramic coating it. So luckily that gives us a chance to put this video together for you and just show you how it's done and how we do it. So ceramic coating not only gives you that super glossy reflective look, but it also serves as like a barrier to protect your car from rock chips, chemicals, UV damage, weathering, you know, just anything like that. And then it also is like a water and dirt repellent, so it just helps keep your car clean longer. So it makes a huge difference in just the overall maintenance of your car, which is why, you know, we're pretty big on ceramic coating everything on our cars. And it's actually super easy. Like you can very, very easily do this at home. You do not have to take it into a shop. So I'm just going to take you through the process on how we ceramic coat our cars. So of course you want to wash and get your car as clean as possible. Really focus on rinsing it off. Highly recommend using a pressure washer because you want to get into all the cracks and crevices and get all that dirt out of there. So you want to get it just as clean as you possibly can. And then after the wash, you'll use a clay bar and then any kind of lubricant. So the clay bar that we're using is from the Chemical Guys. This is their OG. And then any lubricant. So we're actually using the Gorilla Car Care waterless car wash. As I said in my other video, it's my absolute favorite waterless car wash. It seriously smells so good. I mean, we got this bottle. Oh no, this is the clay bar. I forgot I brought this in here. So this is the clay bar. It's filthy now, but yeah, so you want to get it like flattened out. This is just half of one because we bolted it together to speed up the process. Yeah, so this is the clay bar. And you just, you know, use a lubricant. So we used the Gorilla Car Care waterless car wash. We got this bottle 2 weeks ago. It's already gone. Love it if you can't tell. But so you use a lubricant, you know, just spray it on, and then you can rub this across and just be super careful. You'll kind of hear like some scratching. It's not scratching, it's a weird noise, but that's how you know that you're picking up a ton. And then once you get this, you know, like once there's a lot of product on here that you picked up, you can just fold it over, press it out, and you know, use it from there. So just make sure that you're doing that in every section that you're cleaning it. And it's basically doing the whole ceramic coating. The best way to do it is just to work in small sections. doing each part piece by piece. So after we clay bar it, we take rubbing alcohol. This is just 98%. Put it in a spray bottle just so that way it's easier to use. So you'll just spray some rubbing alcohol on there and wipe it away. After we wipe off all of the alcohol, now we're gonna go into polishing. So for the polishing, we use the Roops DA Fine, High Performance Fine Polishing Compound. So I'll try to link this online. We just bought it at one of our local like car cleaning stores. So this is a pretty big bottle and it's kind of expensive, but really you can use like any polishing kit if you would like to. So we use this polishing compound, and we also use Roops DA Medium Wool Washing Pad. So what we do is we just take this compound, dip like 3 little dots on here, and then on the car you just want to press it around so that way you get, you know, not a crazy amount, because you do not want this to splatter around your car. So after you polish, you can then take your alcohol spray again, wipe away. You'll feel where it kind of like sticks and catches, but once you get like that smooth surface, once everything's wiped away, then you'll know that you're ready to start ceramic coating. So the ceramic coating that we're using is from Gorilla Car Care. This is their graphene oxide infused ceramic coating. So it should last about 5 years, and it has the max level of hardness. So it has a 10H, which is equivalent to the hardness level of diamonds. So this one bottle, like there's a ton in here. This could last for several cars. It could easily do our entire fleet. It could do the red car, it could do Mach, it could also do the Subaru as well as the Hellcat, and then maybe another car or two as well. So yeah, so this bottle, it goes a long way. So if you're looking to do your ceramic coating at home, you definitely want to look for a ceramic coating that has graphene in it, because if it does not, then it more than likely will have silica or silicone dioxide in it as its primary component. So graphene is going to have the highest level of durability, the highest level of water beading, as well as having like the easiest application. And this is why you want to look for graphene ceramic coatings, because it's more flexible, which makes it less susceptible to cracking or chipping, and it's also more forgivable during the application process. So you just want to put a small amount on your application pad and evenly spread it in the small section that you're working on. Then just let it sit and cure for about 60 to 90 seconds, and then gently wipe away any excess. A big tip is to not do this in direct sunlight, but you still want to make sure that you're applying it in a well-lit area, just so that way you can watch what you're working on, because this will literally dry as like a hard shell of glass. So you just want to make sure that it is even and every part of the car is covered. So we're going to polish and coat the wing and then knock out the rest of the car. Overall, this took about 3 hours with the two of us working each side of the car. So I'm just wiping down these final areas, and then I'll show you the other graphene oxide infused products from Gorilla Car Care. So this is Gorilla Car Care's graphene oxide infused line. So we obviously have the ceramic coating. We also have Shine Shampoo, Quick Shine, and Tire Shine. Did we use the graphene Shine Shampoo in the foam cannon?
Yep.
Oh, nice, so we did that.
That one actually does really good with the foam.
What?
The Gorilla Car Care. With the foam is.
So we use the graphene Shine Shampoo. So this is also graphene oxide infused, and it's good to use on ceramic coated or non-ceramic coated vehicles. We're also going to test out the graphene Tire Shine. So we're going to use it on the other Hellcat wheels actually to test it out. This is the graphene Tire Shine, so it's also graphene oxide infused. It needs to sit for 10 to 15 minutes, so we're gonna apply it on now just so that way it can sit and dry for a little bit before we wipe it away. So it should lock out water and other contaminants, and then it says that it's a no sling formula, so gotta shake it, applicator of choice, and I guess we just spray it on there. Oh. I don't know what kind of technique to be using here, so what a strange consistency. Alright, so that looks good, so we're just gonna let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes. So stock wheels are going back on Mach. We put the Mach's wheels on the red car. What do you guys think? Excuse you. Oh, timer's going off. Timer's going off. So we put Mach wheels on the red car. So these are the Tech 7s. We had the Tech 5s on. I think I like it better. I feel like it just completely changes the whole look. How crazy. Oh. All right, here's the reveal of the tire shine. Voila. All right, and now for the last and final product, we have the Graphene Quick Shine. So this is just a detailing spray with that graphene oxide resin that's just gonna give it that additional slip and gloss look. It's a freaking airplane.
Look at it roll off.
All right, guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you, Gorilla Car Care, so much for helping make it happen because Mach looks amazing. If you guys have any questions on the ceramic coating process, please just leave them down below or reach out to me directly and I will help you out. Also, make sure to check out Gorilla Car Care. I'll have them linked down below, but thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again next week.